Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Miss Risma Julistiana SPD MPD. I'm Lindin Leandro Alia, and in this video I will present about analyze speech act and politeness in classroom interactions, a pragmatic teaching report. The analysis focus on identifying speech acts and politeness strategies used by the lecturers and students in classroom interactions. The interactions I analyzed was between a young lecturer and her students from the English Education Study Program in a critical reading class. Speech act and politeness used in classroom interactions are excellent, so students do not feel awkward interrupting, asking questions, or answering questions from lecturers. In class, lecturers also have good ideas for reviewing material through games. There are three types of speech acts that I analyze in the classroom interactions, namely expressives, directives, and assertives. The first is expressives. An example of expressives in conversations is when the lecturers ask, "How are you today?" and the students answer, "Good." The second is directives. An example of directives in conversation is when the lecturers ask against and reasures the students, "Are you okay?" and some students answer, "Sleepy." The lecturer responds again, "Sleepy ya? Me too, me too." And then another example of directives is when the lecturer asks in a questioning tone, "Can you sit with your group?" and the student answer, "Okay." The third is assertives. An example in conversations is when the lecturer says, "Today we are not going to talk about something difficult. I mean a theory." The utterance conveys the information that on that day the lecturer will not be presenting material but will only review it by playing game. Then there are three types of politeness strategy analyzed according to Brown and Levinson in that interactions. The first, both on record. There are three utterances that I got in that conversations. The first utterance was when a lecturer said, "Each group should stand and line up twist." The second utterance was, "Ke belakang, Matt." And the third was, "Alpi kemai aja, soalnya grup itu udah banyak." And then the second types of politeness is negative politeness. With two examples in the conversation I observed, the expressions, "So please listen to the rules," and the expressions, "Can you sit with your group?" And the last type of politeness I analyze is positive politeness, found in expressions, "Are you ready, everyone?" And so there are some of the expressions I analyze based on Shirley speech act theory and Brown and Levinson's is politeness theory. And the conclusions is that the use of language, especially in terms of speech and politeness, not only conveys information clearly, but also maintains classroom relationships and atmosphere. With that, communications between students and lecturers will be more effective and respectful. Maybe that's all for me. Thank you for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.